How to analyze a cryptocurrency, market cap, volume, and supply. Welcome back to your cryptocurrency journey. Now that you've learned how to buy and sell crypto, it's time to take the next step, analyzing the market. Understanding key metrics like market cap, volume, and supply will help you make smarter investment decisions and spot profitable opportunities. Let's dive in. Why analysis matters. Crypto markets are volatile and fast-moving. Making informed decisions is essential. By analyzing key metrics, you can identify strong, stable investments, recognize risky assets before investing, understand market trends and how they impact prices. Now, let's break down the three most important cryptocurrency metrics. Market cap explained. Market capitalization, or market cap, measures the total value of a cryptocurrency. Formula: market cap equals sign, price x circulating supply. Based on market cap, cryptocurrencies fall into three categories: large cap cryptos, BTC, ETH, well-established and generally safer investments; mid-cap cryptos, moderate growth potential, but come with some risk; small-cap cryptos, high-risk, high-reward opportunities. Market cap helps you compare the size and stability of different cryptocurrencies. Understanding trading volume. Next, let's talk about trading volume. Volume equals sign, the number of crypto assets traded within a set time, for example, 24 hours. High volume equals sign, more liquidity, stable pricing, and lower risk of manipulation. Low volume equals sign, higher volatility, harder to sell assets quickly. Always check volume before investing. It's a key indicator of market interest. The role of supply in crypto valuation. Supply plays a huge role in a cryptocurrency's price. Circulating supply equals sign coins currently available in the market. Total supply equals sign maximum number of coins that will ever exist. For example, Bitcoin, BTC. Max supply, 21 million. Scarcity increases value. Litecoin, LTC. Max supply, 84 million. Higher supply, different value dynamics. Scarcity can drive up price. Always consider supply when analyzing a cryptocurrency. Combining metrics for smart investments. To make the best investment decisions, always analyze multiple metrics together. Example: Litecoin, LTC. Market cap well established, making it a stable investment volume, high trading activity. Equal sign strong liquidity supply. 84 million max, with most already circulating. By combining market cap, volume, and supply, you get a clearer picture of a cryptocurrency's potential. Action plan for the week. Now it's time to apply what you've learned. Here's your weekly action plan. Research market cap. Compare the size of different cryptocurrencies. Monitor trading volume. Check daily volume to assess liquidity. Analyze supply. Understand circulating and total supply impact. Combine metrics. Practice analyzing multiple data points before investing. Track trends. Observe how these metrics change over time. By mastering these metrics, you'll make smarter, more confident trading decisions. Market cap, volume, and supply are powerful tools in your crypto trading journey. The more you understand, the better your investment choices. Got questions? Drop a comment below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert crypto insights. See you in the next lesson.